Are you in need of an idea for dinner that you can prepare in under 30 minutes, is keto, and is intensely flavorful? Well, if you are, stick around. Greetings, friends. I'm Kim with Delicious Chemistry, where I develop recipes to help you on your low-carb health journey and to help you understand the science of low-carb cuisine. To make the roasted red pepper sauce, this is what you will need. You need the juice from 1 lemon, but this is what I do instead. I buy bottled organic pure lemon juice. So much easier. This is what happens when you don't put the lid on tightly enough. What a mess. Learn from my mistakes. Leave 1 cup of sauce in the container and add your red pepper flakes if you like it spicy. Now it's time to get the shrimp ready. Let's look at the science of conductive heat. Conductive heat is when you use a medium like stainless steel to conduct heat to your food source. You know your pan is ready for oil when you splash water on it and it sizzles and evaporates. Then go ahead and add your oil and swirl it around till it's evenly coated on the bottom of the pan. Let it heat for a minute or so. You'll know the oil is hot enough when you tip it and you can see the striations or its shimmer. When you add the shrimp, it should sizzle. Cook 75% on the first side and then turn it, and don't completely cook it because the residual heat will finish it. Remember that shrimp is delicate, and if you overcook it, you'll be eating expensive rubber bands. Do the spoon test to see if it's ready. On the back of a spoon, scrape it, and if the sauce does not come back together, then you know it's ready. Alright, you're done. In less than 30 minutes, you'll have an amazingly flavorful dinner.